Okay, join me as I unbox this K9 wireless microphone. This microphone can work for both Android phone, Type-C Android phone too, and even an iPhone. It works perfectly well. This microphone cancels out background noise when you are using it. You can't listen to any other thing except your voice. It's very sharp. It's pick anything that comes out from your mouth, and it's plug and play. You can use it 20 meters away from your phone. Like, it's so clear, and the range is very wide. This is K9, so we'll be unboxing it now so you see how it's used. It's mainly used for live show, interview, workshop videos. This is all you want for your talk show and all that. Okay, as you can see, this is the Type-C charger where you can plug it to charge. This is where you plug the microphone to charge. This is Type-C charging port. You plug it to charge. After plugging it to charge, you hit this on your clothes. That's if you are using it for something like a live video. You clip it on your clothes and turn it on. This is the on button. Okay, you have the power button, the on button for the board. This is the on button too. You turn it on. After you turn it on, if you are using a Type-C, this is where you plug it. Let's see, if you are using a Type-C, you plug it here. This is a Type-C charging port. But if you are using an Android phone, you plug this first to your Android phone, then plug this Type-C to where you plug this. That's like this before plugging to your Android phone. Then same thing is applicable to iPhone. You plug the iPhone. This is the iPhone. Plug it. After plugging it, you plug this Type-C port to it and start using it. It's that simple. It's that simple. Remember to like and comment on my videos. Remember to comment, and most importantly, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be making more tech videos like this on how to use all these items. I'll be making it. Thank you for watching. This is K9. Okay, let's try it now with Android phone. This particular phone has USB ports, and this is Type-C. Since it has USB ports, this is USB, and the port here is Type-C. You have to plug it. The port here is Type-C. You plug this to the USB. It has been plugged. Then you plug it to your phone. After you plug it, it will show this. Click on continue. Turn the OTG on. Then go back. When done, you peep at this place. You will see a small red light blinking. This is to show that it has been connected. You will see a red light blinking here, inside here. It might not really show here. Okay. You will see a red light blinking, which is to show it has been connected. Okay. You can start using it now. You pick up this one. There are two. If you are using it for something like podcasts, let's say you guys are two, you turn it on. If you turn this on, it will show green lights here. meaning that it has been connected here. But if it doesn't show green lights, if it's not connected here, it will be blinking. The light will be blinking red. So now it has shown green, it has been connected. So you can just start using it. You can just start using it, record any video. So, hello my people, can you hear me? Hello. Yeah, let's go back to the video. Hello my people, can you hear me? Hello. Yeah, it's very clear. Hello. It's very clear and easy to just go about it. Please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like and share my video, comment, very important. Please subscribe if you need to be seeing more tech videos like this, how to do most of these things on your own without someone charging you money to do them. Just subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.